Haste and lack of time are bad advisors. Unfortunately, however, these are conditions that, as we know, often occur in professional kitchens. And when it comes to gelato mixtures, what does that mean in practice? Imagine pulling out the beaker frozen from your blast chiller at the last minute. The mixture will be very cold and very hard. Or, when you scoop out a few servings from the beaker, put it back in the freezer to harden and find it uneven. Or, again, when, for example, you freeze your mixture in the freezer, but the lack of space or presence of other products causes the mixture to freeze tilted. Until now, these were major problems to handle with your equipment. But now, we have Easy Giaz. Today's challenge will be to work with 4 beakers with 4 different consistencies and temperatures. I will show you the strength, the speed, and the versatility of Easy Giaz. Let's get started. This is a traditional gelato mixture with nothing special in it. What makes it different from the others is the temperature, which is particularly low. We brought it down to minus 26 degrees Celsius. In the second beaker, instead, we see a condition that can happen when we have scooped out some portions during service and put the beaker back in the freezer without first flattening the contents. Here you can see how the mixture was frozen at an angle. This may be because we placed the beaker in the freezer, but lack of space or an accidental bump caused the beaker itself to tilt. This mixture has a very special condition. We decided to include a granita mixture. In this case, a red fruit granita inside a traditional milk-based gelato mix. This was to create a condition where 2 different textures have to be processed at the same time, a very tough challenge for our machine. The job is done. Easy Giaz has proven capable of processing 4 beakers with 4 different consistencies in a very short time, and adapting to the different conditions it encountered. Most importantly, we achieved the result. We obtained gelato in every case with a texture and temperature perfect to be served at the table. The initial assumptions of strength, speed, and versatility were fully confirmed. In short, I don't know what you think, but in my opinion, challenge completed.